Okay, so how's everybody going? Just coming outside. Figured I'd try to fire up the Civic, and this is obviously going to be a cold start video. I haven't started the car since I shot the last video, which was, oh heck, I don't know, today's Sunday the 19th, I believe. And I fired it up on Wednesday or Thursday when I shot the video. I had some issues finding a video editor to combine both videos because I didn't want it to be a really long video. Anyway, so everybody knows the Civic by now, obviously. Built LSVTEC, Garrett GTX 3582R, dual ball bearing, so on and so forth. Cold start, obviously you can see the snow and the ice on the engine, which, much to my dismay, obviously isn't going to fit in the garage, which is a mess right now. So I haven't turned the key yet or anything, so I don't know if the battery's up to cranking yet. So we'll see what it does. Oh man, that's cold. It's gonna take a minute for it to actually warm up enough to idle, if it does start. Gotta love that AP2 cluster. Ooh, she's cold. There it goes. Oof. You gotta rev it up, otherwise it won't idle at all. Oh, see? Turn my radio off. Didn't want to rev it that high. Yeah, with this, it needs a retune since I put the remote IACV on. Before with the ultra intake manifold, it wouldn't idle at all, obviously, because the IACV, I mean, it's got nowhere to mount it on the Skunk 2 intake, so I actually bought a K-Tuned kit to put a remote IACV in it, and it needs retuned. It will idle once it warms up. It'll idle on its own. But until then, I gotta keep my foot on the gas partially to keep it revved up. Once the Honda data reads about 180 degrees, 190 degrees, then it smooths out. Obviously with the AP2 cluster, the brake light, the check engine light, the trunk ajar and door ajar lights are on. I did buy the I believe it's a K-Tuned kit to fix all that, or to tune the speedometer and the coolant temperature. The little box for it is under here somewhere, that you plug into with your laptop. Nardi carbon fiber steering wheel, special Downstar neochrome bolts. As you can see, I have all AEM gauges in here for oil pressure and wideband and boost. But yeah, she's going to do this for a little while until she warms up, which unfortunately is going to take a while. So I'll cut back in when that happens. Alright, so I got her up to 178 degrees, and well, she's idling. Got my foot clear off the gas. You can see Boots right here. Clutch pedal. Foot's off the gas. You can hear what she sounds like when she's idling. And yes, I'm smoking. Oh, damn, it's cold. Oh. She's blowing smoke rings. Not happy in this cold weather. Needs a retune. Anyway, yeah. See all my many stickers. Shout out to Tommy F. Yeah. Crow Obsession is the name of our car group on Facebook in the Pittsburgh, Ohio, West Virginia area. There's a mint Hunter Tune sticker from Hunter Tune. Stone Bag, JDM Situation, all Tommy F. Yeah stickers. My other ride most definitely is your mom. Real Street Performance and Graham's Injectors, Speed Factory Racing. The F Cancer sticker is something that we had from one of our car meets. The same with the gift. We had car meets with donations and sticker sales to benefit cancer research and to help a family who had just recently lost a young child to cancer. The Christmas gift sticker is also from another car meet we had. We sold stickers and different paraphernalia from our car group to benefit a family who basically couldn't buy Christmas gifts for their children. Were in between jobs and suffering from some things, and we held a benefit to help them out so that they could provide a Christmas for their family. Just some random stickers that I got from the oil and gas safety store. My other Speed Factory Racing sticker is upside down, and another sticker from the oil and gas safety store. I'm a truck driver in the oil field. Anyway, yeah, I mean, you can see inside. I've already said it before, but ITR seats, real ITR seats, 98 to 2000 dash conversion, so I could fit the double DIN touchscreen, AP2 gauge cluster, all digital. A long time ago, I flocked the dash, which is you basically take the dash out, you clean it with alcohol, you put glue on it, and you shake pieces of fabric onto it, and they stick. I got blue. Parts of the dash are also done in black. The center console there is flocked in black. Yeah, the typical douchebag Honda Racer Crown Royal shift boot that I always wanted to do. Honda V3 S300, Honda CPR kit. The cable's just the tuning cable for the Honda. That's just a stock OBD1 Honda P28 ECU that I socketed and shipped for Honda. Door panels, this fabric here was off of it when I bought the car, so I cleaned it up and covered it with some carbon fiber fabric that I found at Walmart, surprisingly. Same with the speaker grills. That's my Naughty Bear. That was funny because a long time ago I bought one of these in red and one of these in black, and I gave one to my wife, and I had one, and I found this one a couple years ago, and I knew I had to put it back in its rightful place. Yeah, but you can see, like, this part here was flocked a long time ago, and some of the material came off of it since then, just from scratching around and trying to put shit in place, moving stuff around. This car is an EX model, so yes, it has power windows and a sunroof and everything. I redid my headliner. I don't know if you can see it now, but I did the sun visors and everything in crushed velvet. There you go. You can see it a little bit better there. It's almost 5 o'clock here, so it's starting to get dark Eastern time. But yeah, that's my car. That's it idling, and well, I think it's 19 or 20 degrees here right now, Fahrenheit. So there she is. Yep, and somehow goes right back to idle, even though the tune's way off. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, which, I mean, as much as you can enjoy starting a car. Anyway, hope y'all have a good day. Hope y'all enjoyed the weekend. See you next time. Later.